Assalamu alaikum everybody, said Ahmad back again with another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video, guys, I thought it would be a good idea to just sit down, talk with you guys, give you an update on my trading journey. So, for those of you guys that do not know, which I'm sure most of you guys do know by this point, I have gone from trading Forex to now trading stocks. And the reason for that, guys, was I thought the Forex industry was in kaboom, bow, poof, explosion. I thought it was going to go bye-bye, right? However, recently maybe that's not the case for a variety of reasons, but I still do like, now that I've made the transition already, I still do like the sorry, I was posting on my Instagram. I still do like stocks over Forex, guys, for a variety of reasons. One of the things with Forex, guys, or one of the things if you're only trading 1 to 2 pairs, is that when you're trading such limited things, you will not get an opportunity every single day, which is fine. You're not going to be trading every single day. However, even when you do get opportunities, sometimes the market just doesn't look that good, but you see your opportunity and you take it anyways. The benefit of trading stocks is that there's so many stocks out there that when you scan the stocks, you get a watch list of like hundreds of stocks. You can pick the like top 10 stocks that you want to trade that have the most beautiful setups. And so you have a lot more opportunities and you can trade less. Like you can trade the same amount. You can only be taking 1 to 2 trades a day, but the benefit is you're able to sift through so many stocks and only find the most perfect A-class setups. Whereas with Forex, right, if you only have 20 something pairs, if you have like 8 major pairs, however many there are, you only have that many. So if they're not setting up that well, you might see your setup and take it anyways, but you're not going to get as many high quality trades in comparison to stocks because the scanners can literally show you exactly what you want to be seeing right away. So I do like stocks a little bit more than Forex, guys. I started swing trading, as you guys know, which is very weird for me because I was a day trader for the almost 4 years now that I've been trading. And I do like swing trading a lot more, so I will be focusing on that more. I'm a lot more confident now than when I first started in about mid-January, I'd say, late January. So it's been about a month, which is kind of crazy because time has just been absolutely flying. But yeah, I'm adding a little bit more money to my account, inshallah ta'ala, and I'm going to be trading with a little bit more money now, and I'm going to slowly be increasing my account size as the months go on. And hopefully by June, I will be at a good enough account balance that I'm making the same amount. I don't want to say the same amount. I'm risking the same amount that I was with forex trading. Because guys, like I always preach being smart and going switching your trading style, switching your trading asset classes as well, and just risking the same amount of money that you're going to risk right away. Like let's say I was risking $100 per trade. If I was to just start swing trading, risking $100 per trade, it would be a disaster because I don't know what I'm doing. There's so much you learn while you're trading. Experience is going to be your best teacher. So it wouldn't be a good idea to do that, right? So you have to slowly build your risk up. The more confident you become and the more you realize you know what you're doing, which is just going to take you back testing and forward testing. So right now I'm not at that point where I'm risking the same amount as I used to when I used to trade Forex. So I am making less money now, guys, but it's okay. Over the long run, it will be fine. I do really like swing trading more than day trading, guys. So if you have no idea what you're doing, I do recommend swing trading stocks. If you have some idea what you're doing, I'd still recommend trying to swing trade whatever you're trading anyways, because again, at least from my experience, you can make the same amount of money and trade a lot less. I'm trading for 30 minutes a day, guys, and in those 30 minutes, when it comes to percentage gain, I'm making even more money, honestly, than I was with Forex when I was day trading, which is insane, right? I'm trading like a tenth of the time, a quarter of the time, and I'm making double what I was making percentage wise when it comes to Forex, mashallah. Now, as for day trading, guys, I haven't completely abandoned day trading yet. I'm currently developing a strategy for day trading, specifically that I would use on SPY. SPY is just the ticker symbol for the overall market. It's like an ETF. And for you forex traders out there, you would know it as US 500. Some of you might know it as SPX 500. But yeah, that's what the overall market is. And if you're a futures trader, you would know it as ES. And so I'm looking at building a strategy just for that. It's working relatively really well. So far from my testing, it has done 40% in the last 2 months of data, which is outlandish. Like how good this strategy is actually kind of crazy. But I need more testing. I need more back testing. I need more forward testing. Currently, I'm forward testing it. So the goal would be, guys, in the next couple of months to start day trading as well again, and day trade and swing trade at the same time. Now the benefit is just to make more money. And honestly, the other benefit of this is also that it's a little bit of, I don't want to say it's hedging, but what I will say is that it helps when you have multiple strategies because if one strategy isn't performing that well, the other strategy should be doing decent. So you're not going to go into that much of an account drawdown. So if swing trading isn't going that well, at least my day trading will be, and vice versa. And I don't recommend you guys do this as a beginner, but if you're more advanced, if you have years of trading experience like me, if you're already profitable, then you'll notice a lot of these traders do start to shift into multiple trading strategies. And that's how you see traders make, 20 plus 30% every single month when it comes to their trading. Not trading one strategy and doing that, guys. They're trading multiple strategies. Just so happens that one of those strategies will have an amazing month and do like 15, 20%. The other strategies will do relatively average or bad. And then, it evens out. And the next month, one strategy will pick up the slack and the other one won't do as well, right? That's how they make a lot of money. So I don't recommend you do it as a beginner, but I'm a more experienced trader. I've traded multiple strategies before as well. So it's working out. It's worked out well for me. So I'm going to continue doing that. Once I have fleshed out the day trading strategy, made sure that I've backtested it properly, made sure that it has an edge, and then I'm going to trade it as well along with my swing trading strategy. Yeah, so hopefully, inshallah, guys, soon enough, when I'm a little bit more confident, I will start actually showing you the exact money that I'm making and losing from my swing trading. So far, I've only been like making or losing like $100. Okay, here's the thing. Some of the trades that I'm making or losing, well, making, I should say, I do leave a runner on those trades. So, those runners aren't guaranteed. Like I've had a trade where I left a runner and it was up 6%, right? Which is fantastic. But then it goes down, and then I'm trailing my stop loss, and all of a sudden I get took out at a 2% loss. So that's, I mean, not 2% loss, 2% gain. Sorry. So if I say I have a runner open that's making me $200, it's not guaranteed that I'm going to secure $200. Just right now, the runner is at $200 in profit. It could come back and it could take me out with my stop loss at $50. You get what I'm saying? So it's a little bit difficult to say that when it comes to swing trading, because the way I'm doing it, I do leave runners. Like one of my runners right now is at 10%, right? So 10% is fantastic, right? But am I going to secure 10%? No. Chances are, if it continues going up, I'm going to trail my stop loss. But if it was to go down right now, I probably would secure like 4%. And that's on a runner, so that's fantastic, right? But I just want to show that it's not as parallel. It's not like it's apples and oranges pretty much. It's not so black and white between what I used to trade like. Yeah, but hopefully, inshallah, soon enough, I will be showing you guys, this is the trades I'm taking, this is how much money I'm making, how much money I'm losing. That's the overall goal, and I'll do the same with day trading as well. And realistically, guys, what I want to do is show you guys like me taking a small account into a larger account and not compounding it per se into a large account. So I'm still gonna be following proper risk management, but showing you the journey of trading a small account, becoming more confident in it, adding more money to the account, trading with it more, the setbacks, the drawbacks, the psychology issues, the trading issues that you can get with execution, etc., and then continuing to grow that account until eventually you have like a multi figure, if not six-figure account that you can just make money from and trade for a living from, right? So that's the goal. And of course, guys, the end goal, inshallah ta'ala, I do in the next 2 years or so want to work at a hedge fund. That is my goal. My goal is to, actually, my end goal is to start my own hedge fund, inshallah ta'ala. But my current goal would be in the next 2-ish years to work at a hedge fund. And that's one of the reasons why I'm developing my day trading strategy, is because at a hedge fund, it would be easier to just trade that strategy in comparison to swing trading. However, if not, then I'll just swing trade. But one of my goals is to, inshallah, work at a hedge fund. The main reason for that is because, there's so much capital that you can get at a hedge fund. So what might not look like good returns to you when you're trading $20 million are fantastic returns. Trust me. And you might be saying, well, would a hedge fund even give you $20 million? I know a guy actually, I have his phone number, I've talked to him before. I know a guy who trades at a hedge fund. He trades with $20 million, and he has friends in that hedge fund that trade with $50 million. Imagine you make 2% a month, right? A lot of you guys would scoff at 2% a month. If I gave you a strategy that would make you 2% every single month right now, no one would follow that strategy, because you're going to say 2%, who cares? 2% isn't going to do anything for me. Both $50 million at a hedge fund, that's $1 million a month. You're going to keep at least $500,000 of that. It's a good gig. It's a good amount of money. It's a fantastic amount of money. So that's the whole point, is, prove myself with day trading, prove myself with stocks, and then hopefully start interviewing at hedge funds and eventually make it. And if I don't, it is what it is. I'll just trade on my own. But I would love to work at a hedge fund, access that massive capital, and then use that capital to go back into my own trading account or other investments, etc. Inshallah ta'ala. And again, guys, hedge funds, at least from what I've noticed, they really value stocks over forex. So that was the other reason why I made that massive shift, is because I had made that goal that I want to trade at a hedge fund. And they value stocks over forex. I'll tell you that much right now. Like a lot of the people that I trade, or a lot of the people that I talk to in this industry, when I tell them I trade forex, they have no idea what I say. Like they understand foreign exchange, the industry as a whole, but they don't really get how you can trade it. And like I said before, there's so many more benefits to stocks over forex. So much more options, cheaper, less spreads, less commissions, more liquidity. I don't want to say more liquidity, but yeah, like there's so much more pros in comparison to the cons that is for me right now. I just think that it's the best thing to switch to stocks. And I was talking to a trader who's made over nine figures from trading before, and he trades stocks as well. And I said, okay, if this guy can make nine figures from trading, $100 million plus from trading stocks, if he can do it, why can't I? And I just don't see anybody really doing that as much with forex. You don't really see big traders with forex, but I see a lot of big traders with stocks. And again, with all of these reasonings, I was like, screw it, let me move to stocks. I'm very happy that I did, guys, for the variety of reasons that I've already talked about. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit sit down and talk video. The reason I made this sort of video is because I'm not trading this week. For those of you guys that do not know, when it comes to trading a cash account, it takes a little bit of time for the funds to settle, quote unquote, right? So if you use $200, you can cash out those $200 in stocks, but you can still trade with those $200. They're just not yours. The fund takes some time to actually churn that money back to you, right? So I'm switching my account from my cash account to a margin account, which is going to take some time. Um, and because of that, that's one of the main reasons as to why I'm not trading anymore. Because if I start trading, then it's not going to settle the funds. So I need all my funds to be settled for it to then convert it into a margin account. So starting next week, I'm going to be trading again, back at it, active inshallah. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But with that being said, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked it. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, peace out.